You've never had combos. You're going to be 30 years old and you've never eaten combos.
Yeah, I've had them before, but I don't, like, no, I can't tell you, like, they're, like, high on my list. Alright guys, coming back at you with a new video for this week. Total different style, but it's something we wanted to share with you because there's more to fishing than just casting and catching fish. It's a little bit of humor, a little bit of fun, and hope you guys enjoy it. Also wanted to update you on the latest in the Burnin EIGHTS world. Got some big things coming. One of them being a challenge, muskie challenge, versus Just Keep Casting, Today's Angler, and Burnin EIGHTS. So look for some content for this. It should be pretty sweet. We're hoping some good friendly competition comes out of this, catching some big fish and a lot of fish. But we'll see what happens, and we'll give her a go. So stay tuned for that. Also coming down the pike is some big fish as far as Jake's 51.5. That video is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And also a 48.5 that he boated boat side. So we got some good things coming. Also a follow-up video to the gunshot video you saw last week. So stay tuned. But in the meantime, enjoy a little bit of humor, a little bit of transition from last week. So hope you get a few laughs out of this video.
So do you still have that menu?
They got salads if you're looking for a salad. Filet mignon, deep fried clam strips for an appetizer. I've had them before. Those are good.
Deep fried clam strips?
Oh, aren't they good?
Yeah, I've had that.
Yeah.
Not there, but I've had
No, I've had them before somewhere.
crab legs, crabs.
Oh, yeah.
Rave crab legs.
I've had crab legs in so long. I want some big snow crabs.
Yeah.
I haven't had them in forever.
Baby back ribs, duck.
I want my baby back ribs.
Combinations, baby back ribs and chicken. Surf and turf. Baby back ribs and shrimp.
It's so good.
I'll try some of those Lay's stacks.
The stacks are good. You want some dried mango and flavored pineapple strips?
Yeah. I kind of do want to try them.
The actual mango ones are really good.
Kind of like Lay's stacks.
Huh?
What's the other fruit you got in there?
We got some actual pineapple rings. They're pretty good. And these are freaking freeze dried. This freeze dried stuff is weird.
What is that?
Gary?
Freeze dried?
Yeah. Stuff is sweet. Do they add sugar to this stuff?
Low fat, juicy and sweet and fun snack.
Dude, that's weird.
That's a banana chip. You want a mango? You eat that?
What is
It's like the texture of styrofoam. Isn't that?
What is that?
I like the texture of that. What's this?
Mango. But no, that's pineapple. These chunks are pineapple.
Well, I can definitely taste my mango.
That's pineapple.
What?
Those are pineapple chunks.
I'd rather like...
That's mango.
Yeah, I like these little things. The
What's
texture
this?
is so weird. It's like driftwood.
Well, we might as well eat it all.
I don't want to eat it all.
We have to now.
It feels weird on my teeth.
Did you eat a pineapple?
First
Like
thing I
sticks,
ate.
like sticks to your teeth.
Yeah, the foamy ones. The banana ones don't.
Freeze dried. That's what they are?
Yeah, that's what it said. You're like strawberries ones. Strawberry, yeah.
What's this?
Pineapple.
Tell you what, I can eat a lot more chips.
You said you could taste some mango before.
I know.
That's pineapples.
Dude, that... Yeah, it's okay. That's pineapple. It's kind of tough getting by your teeth, though.
The banana, just like one bite and it's already gone.
I never tried that stuff. What is this, banana?
You ever tried this?
No.
You want to?
I don't know, do I?
Yeah.
Sweet.
What is this stuff?
Pineapple.
Oh.
Do you want to try one of these?
I only want a piece just to try it. What is this, mango?
Mango flavored.
Pineapple
strips.
strips.
Mango flavored pineapple?
Another kind
A
of
flavor
potato chip.
explosion.
I thought these were supposed to be like healthy.
What is that blue chip there? Just gonna get this flavor out of my mouth.
Salt and vinegar. Eat these.
Mesquite barbecue. I don't know if I like combos. I like combos. See, these are good.
Yeah, you can eat a lot more of these than banana chips and stuff.
No, you'll like combos. I actually really like them.
I like them.
Wow.
Cheddar cheese pretzel.
Let's start over.
Cutting a blooper reel?
Yeah. Well, dude. I forgot to say musky. And as soon as I said it, I was like, oh, shoot.
We need a cue card.
I'm gonna start laughing.
I like.